Good morning, Tahmina Khan is here in TKMaths S1. In today's video, I will explain to you a concept of vectors, one aspect of it, which is a part of the syllabus of O-level additional mathematics, code 4037. And I'm explaining this concept with the help of the CAIE question, November 18, 13, question 7. 1-3 is the variant. So before I begin, you can see on the top my blog address and my website address. This is website tkmaths.com and tkmaths.blogspot.com is my blog address. You will find the link of all my videos I have made so far over here, and the website is offering many more things including online help. Visit of it will be beneficial for you. So let's begin with the question. So in the question, the vector, the diagram is given to you and different vectors are given to you. For example, OA is vector A, OB from here till here is vector B, and OC is vector C. This information is given to you. Beside that, few relations are given to you in terms of ratio. For example, OD is twice of DB. Then AD is equals to M times of AC. This is AD and this is DC. So this piece of information, these pieces of information you have to use to explain AD in terms of MAC. So what comes in your mind? Because AD, if I have to express, I can express it in many ways. But the condition is express in terms of M, A, and C. So first of all, let's write down the given information on the diagram. I always find it easy to handle once I have put up all the information on the diagram. So this is my OA, and one thing I did not write, though it was not treated in this part, but still. And this OB is B, and this OC is your C. So now you have to express in terms of A, C, and M. So if you look at this, right, question is saying find AD in terms of M, A, and C. So I think this one can help you because M is present here, but how? So you need to recall a concept here, okay? So let's see that concept. Okay, so if you see AC, which means from here till here I'm talking about, right? Vector AC. So the other way to go from A to C is either this way, but none of the vector is known here directly. Whereas if I go from here, AO plus OC, right? AO plus OC. Now, this is given to you that OA is A. So AO in the reverse order, so it will be minus A, right? So this one will be minus A and OC will be C. So for the convenience, we write positive term first. So it is C minus A. So if you see AO, which can be written as minus OA, so it is minus A. So using this concept here, I will plug in the values here. So my AC is C minus A, right? So now I will use this, that AD is equals to MAC, and AC is OC minus OA. I have derived from here OC minus OA because AO equals to minus OA. So I'm writing it here. And then I'm substituting the values. So I got AD in terms of M, A, and C. Let's see the next part of the question. Now, in this part of the question, again, you have to find out AD, but now in terms of A and B. Okay. So now what you will use to find out, because we know A is this and B is this. So what do you think can help you? This part, if you see, because BP has a connection with OB and OD also has a connection with OB because it is 2/3, 2/3 of OB. I'm repeating, OD is actually 2 ratios and DB is 1 ratio. So I can say OD is 2/3 of OB, right? And if you have to express DB, you can say DB is 1/3 of OB, right? I'm talking in general. So let's see what we will do here. So you can say that AD is equals to AO plus OD. Okay, in vectors you are taking other path. Mostly we take the path on which we know the vectors. So AO is minus A, fine. But how will you write OD in terms of B? So you can say OD is 2/3 of OB, right? And your OB is actually B. It is given in the question. So hence you got AB in terms of AB. Now AD in terms of AB, which is 2/3 of B minus A. So now from part 1, we have found AD in terms of MCA. And in part 2, we have found AD in terms of A and B. Let's see what is part 3 saying. In part 3, information is given to you that 15A equals to 16B minus 9C. Find the value of M. So now you have to see this piece of information which is given to you, how can it help us to find out M? And M was only present in AD, which we have found in part 1. Now, in part 1, we have AD is this, M bracket C minus A, and AD is 2/3 of B minus A in part 2. So basically both are equals to AD, right? I should rather use here this symbol on top of it, which is representing vector, right? So now both these vectors are equal, hence I can equate them. Why I'm equating them? Because you see this question, if you read the report of the question, this question was difficult for most of the students because they could not make the link. So basically from here, you will get equation which you will equate with this because your vectors are A, B, and C, right? So this is a resultant vector of 15A. So now I am just manipulating it, right? I will try to make, for example, either A subject or B a subject, depends, whatever I find it easy. So right now I have opened the bracket and then I have brought this A here, which is here. After that, I can cross multiply and bring 3 to this side. Before that, what I have done here, can you see? Because A is my one vector, right? And C is my another vector, B is my another vector. So I'm taking A common out. So vector A, and this will be the coefficient of A. Okay, 1 minus n. So now after that, I will cross multiply it here. You see, I have taken 3 here. So what I'm doing, I'm trying to separate B. And from the given equation, I am separating B. You can separate anything, whatever is easy for you. At the moment, if I see, B is easy because C and M has unknown M. But B has only numbers. So I can make it equals to 16 and then equate it. So after making 16 be a subject here, by taking 9C here, now I will try to make this 16B. Any idea how can I make this 16B? Yes, you're right. If I multiply this side and this side by 8. So I'm multiplying it by 8. 8 3s are 24. 8 3s are 24. 8 2s are 16. So now you see 16B, whatever is given to you, and 16B from what you have found. Now I will equate the coefficient of C because now I'm saying vector 16B is equals to this. And here I'm saying vector 16B equals to this, which means the coefficient of A are equal to each other. So it means 15 is equals to 24, 1 minus M, and 9 is equals to 24M. So whatever you like, you can equate it. So here I'm equating the coefficients of A, and here I'm equating the coefficient of C. You can see 24M equals to 9, and here 24, 1 minus M equals to 15. So, and then after that simple calculation to find out the value of M, and both will give you same answer definitely. So you found the value of M, which is 3/8. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked or if you learned something from it, please press like and subscribe button. Do share it with your friends, and your constructive feedback will be encouraging source of encouragement for me. Thank you once again. Take care. Allah Hafiz.